Hello my lovelies, namaste aap sabhi ko. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking to you about cream blushes. I have 8 of these right now that I will be reviewing for you. If you know me, you know that I'm someone who cannot go out without cream blushes. I am more into cream blushes than powder ones. So let's get started. The first one I have is Revolution's Baby Tint. I love the nude pink color of this tint, but I find it quite sticky while blending. It gives natural look and has minimal coverage. Revolution's Super Dewy Liquid Blush is one of my favorite purchases. I love the ultra rich Rani pink color of this. It is highly pigmented, blends easily, and a small amount of it can give good coverage for pink looking cheeks. Next is Praush's Candy looking blush. I love the fruity fragrance it has. Consistency of this blush is neither too thick nor too watery, but perfect to easily blend it. It is more of a glazy, a very shiny blush, but without any glitter particles. This Multipot serves a great purpose for your lips, cheeks and eyelids. The pigmentation is great. It is quite thick in consistency, so I would suggest mixing it with a moisturizer so that blending becomes more easier. This is the cheapest blush I own. It retails for about 80 rupees and just love how good this product is. It is super smooth in consistency, highly pigmented and blends out so well. I also have this jelly tint. It is more watery and squishy than other tints, and one dot of this blush can cover your whole cheek. The coverage is quite sheer, but you can definitely go for this one if you're looking for more natural looking blush. Next up is Swiss Beauty's Cream Tint. I love this product so much that I have got myself 2 shades in it. The product comes in a pot-like container and one swipe of it can give you good pigmentation. Blends easily, does not feel heavy on the cheeks and gives completely matte finish. Last but not least is this multi-stick. It has tiny glitter particles that are not chunky but very fine and add a natural shine when applied. But if you have texture skin, this might not look good on you. Otherwise, it's a great blush. This was it for today's video. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your friends. You can also comment down next video you would like to see on my channel. Namaste aap sabhi ko. Thank you for watching. See ya.